I'm videoing Aiden.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? He's cute. He's so soft.
A cute little baby.
He's just like a fur ball.
Want to give him a treat?
Sure.
Hi, Gotcha.
Mr. Giraffe.
Hi. Hello, face. Look at that. Hello, face.
Mr. Giraffe.
We need to get a name for you.
Wow.
We need to get a name going.
Yeah, if you guys come up with a name, let me know so I can start. I'll start calling him that.
Yeah.
So he starts hearing it.
Yeah. Oh, no, baby.
Like one of my other
Right now,
favorites
he's
is
just a
named
baby.
Duck.
Yes.
Duck. So I've been calling him Duck.
Hi. Now, are the other puppy parents living nearby? Oh.
One is in Cincinnati. One's somewhere northern Ohio, about 3 hours away. I don't know exactly where they are, but they told me it took 3 hours to get here. And then you, and then I have a lady that lives down the road that's actually the mom's one of the special needs kids I do private therapy with. So I'll get to see that puppy every week. And then one is a friend of mine from high school that lives in Pickerington.
Let's face up to your nose.
You giving kisses?
Nope.
He's chewing.
Oh, he still has his little treat.
You so Hey, Mom, do you remember this?
Is he giving you kisses?
Yeah, Fergus says that.
Hey. I'm fucking
It's a squeaky toy, isn't it? I love you.
You still trying to eat that treat?
That's why I love you. That's why I love you. That's why I
See if
love
he gets
you.
annoyed by that. He doesn't get annoyed? Wow. If I put something on Eddie would just shake it off immediately.
Yeah.
When do you guys